It's neat looking, eh? There's something so comforting about winter. Cozy knits, warm blankets, and the simple joy of reading by a warm fire. Today I'm bringing that cozy cottagecore feeling to your desktop. This piece blends cheerful colors, delicate floral patterns, and knitting needles. So grab a cup of tea or coffee and let's create something beautiful together in Canva. We're going to start with a pattern that's not the same as the pattern on my clocks that I've designed for a knitting theme. But it is very similar, and it's supposed to look like the knitting stitches made when you're knitting a sweater. For this desktop wallpaper, I'd like to use yellow, white, and green, and I'll be using Canva colors for help. I'm going to use a dark yellow and a light yellow, and the background is white. Now for a light green and a darker green. This color palette generator is not actually available in the area where you make your designs. You have to search it in the browser to find it, which is a little weird. I think it should be right in there with the other stuff for easy access. I accidentally have two of the same green, so now I will go by each square and make sure I have two different greens for the design. Now I'm going to make the areas for the files and apps to kind of round them up and keep them organized. I'm going to make the boxes more transparent so that you can just see the pattern behind them. I'm going to call the last box Inspo because I do have a few pictures that are there on my desktop for inspiration. I have a hearts and flowers pattern that I designed a while ago and I never had a chance to use it, so I'm going to use some elements from it for this. And we're going to look for some knitting and crochet elements to add to the design. I had this element in yellow, but I can't find it. I don't know. It's not in my downloads or in Canva, so we're going to go with pink. And at first I thought I'd keep to a main color theme, but that tiny bit of color difference is going to add a little visual texture. Cute design, but we're going to change the colors to match our theme. I'm just looking for some more knitting themed elements, but I don't really see anything yet, and so we'll add another heart. I'm going to change the position by using the position sidebar and layers. Sometimes it's easier than the layers that I use in the right-click menu because it's so far to the top it would take me a million clicks to get back to where I want it to be. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm going to change the color of this circle. It's too close to the background. I'm just going to move things around a little. If you like this knitting theme, check out my flower arrangement video. It has a cute knitted bird and even a ball of yarn. I feel like I need a border around that heart, maybe a touch of gold. That one's not really working out. Let's try the sparkle border. That's cute. I like it. You're welcome to get this desktop wallpaper for yourself for free at my website. They're available for all members and signing up is completely free. The link is in the description, so go check it out. I just want to adjust the colors in this yarn ball to match our theme. One more element to find: knitting needles. Now let's find a cute quote for our design. That's it, create something amazing today. A little bit of inspiration for your desktop. Let's choose a color so it stands out. How about green? Now in order to make it more readable, I'm going to add a circle, then change it to white. I'm going to move it behind the quote and then make it more transparent. I'm going to change the font to something that matches our quote a little better. And then I'm going to enlarge them a little. If you'd like to see more knitting themed videos, check out these two, and please subscribe.